Alright guys, I got this 2021 xpro Titan 250 from Amazon, 1500 bucks. Set it up. Just going through and checking everything. Haven't even put gas in or anything yet. I'm just going around checking all the nuts and bolts and making sure everything's tight and how it's supposed to be, and working on this clutch lever and cable, and this thing was going all the way in without even engaging the clutch. I got it good now, but if you don't know how to do that, you just back this nut off, this one right here, and then you just thread this out, and that'll automatically make it tighter. So I did that. Just tighten that back up, and also notice it's got all kind of play in it, up and down play. You don't want that. I've seen one guy, what he did, he bought these really thin washers, put them up in there. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try and compress it right here. I'm going to take the bolt out. It's loose right now because I loosened it. But I'm going to take that bolt out. I'm going to compress it a little bit, put it back in, and see if that free play is gone. Alright, so just tried to do that. Made a rookie mistake. Put the bolt and nut back on there. Tightened it up. Tightened it too much, and those have the plastic threads on the inside, and guess what? They cross thread each other. So that doesn't want to back off now. So I gotta figure that out.